It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
Rev up your engines! Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you around my 2000 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am Firehawk. The Firehawk package was a special performance package offered directly from Pontiac, in which the car was sent to the aftermarket parts company SLP for a few visual and performance modifications. During its 11-year production run, there were only a little over 5,000 Firehawks produced. This particular car is number 328 out of the 741 cars fitted with this package in the year 2000. This car is equipped with the famed LS1 5.7-liter aluminum block V8. However, due to the Firehawk-specific upgrades, this car produces 330 horsepower and 345 pound-feet of torque. That's 10 more horsepower than the WS6 performance package offered that same year. There have been a few aftermarket modifications done to this car as well. One such modification would include the stainless steel exhaust system, including 1 3/4-inch long tube headers, a 3-inch off-road white pipe, and a MagnaFlow catback exhaust system with twin dual tips, which I'm sure you probably heard. Other modifications include an LS6 intake manifold, an aftermarket SLP air lid, C6 Z06 style wheels, and custom LED interior and exterior lighting. I'd like to thank Scotty Kilmer for the opportunity to share this with you today. You can see more of it on Instagram at FirehawkFan328 and on my YouTube channel, Padawan363, where you'll see a few other strange videos. Thank you and have a great day.
Well, that was this week's video, and remember, to have your car video highlighted here on my channel, check this out! So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell!